Hi everyone, Mrs. Hall here again. Last week you learned that you feel feelings in your body. Focusing attention on how your body feels is a way to know about your feelings. Put your hands on your tummy. Your tummy can tell you a lot about how you are feeling, especially if you're having uncomfortable feelings, like Molly was feeling last week. Remember, she felt worried, and so her body told her that she was feeling worried by the way her tummy fluttered and she felt nervous and worried inside. Well, that's an uncomfortable feeling. You know what? I think I hear Max.
Oh no!
Hey Max, what's wrong? What happened?
I was cutting a paper star and I cut off the wrong part.
Oh wow, you must feel very frustrated. You're having strong feelings. Put your hands on your tummy. Say stop.
Stop.
This is the first thing to do when you need to calm down. Putting your hands on your tummy helps you focus attention on what is going on with your body. Is your body feeling uncomfortable?
Yes.
That's a clue you're having a strong feeling. Saying stop reminds you to begin calming down. You'll learn more ways to calm down, but for right now, just sit quietly next to me. Then I'll help you with your star.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Thank you, Miss Hall.
You're welcome.